What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I love tea.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free now.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Can you help me?
Sure, why not?
Is he running?
Yes, he is.
Is she cooking?
Yes, she's in the kitchen.
Are they playing football?
Yes, in the park.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here it is.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich.
Do you know him?
Yes, he's my friend.
Is this your book?
No, it's hers.
What did you say?
I said, come here.
Did you eat?
Yes, I had lunch.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you play any sports?
Do you play any sports?
Can you speak slowly?
Okay, I will.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.